30 plus ways to supersize and grow your business using peace of mind. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression today is peace of mind. And there's other versions of peace of mind that were available sooner or were popular sooner. But the peace of mind, P-E-A-C-E of mind, has seemed to stuck because of the prevalent, widespread location of stress and anxiety in the construct of the human mind. I love that. Basically, because we create so much stress and so much uncertainty in our mind, peace of mind became a very popular saying. It's been around since 1726 in Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels. That's probably what made it stick and be even more popular, and it's popular still today. Think of all of if you were to Google peace of mind, which I didn't do that, I'm sure you get millions of results in like a millisecond or so, because there's so much written about peace of mind and how important it is. So I went online and I did a little research, and I found a list of 40, actually, not 30, different ways to get more peace of mind. Well, why do we want more peace of mind? Because if we have more peace of mind, we have less stress. If we have less stress, we're more cognitively present and capable of managing and growing and building and supersizing our business. To me, it's not a long leap to figure out how does less stress, more peace of mind improve our ability to grow and supersize our business. If you're struggling with that and you don't think that they're related, hit me up and we'll have like a 2-minute conversation about it and see if we can't help you to understand how it might improve your ability to grow and build your business. I know when I was stressed out and frustrated building different businesses in the past, I was not nearly as able to function as when I did some of the things to give me more peace of mind. And when I have more peace of mind, I have more clarity. With more clarity, I can focus. When I can focus, I get more done. So let me grab my magnifying glass and let's take a look at this list. And I'm going to fly through these really quickly because there are a lot of them. And you can just think today, maybe share in the comments below, what is your favorite way to obtain more peace of mind? Mine are, I do like a lot of these. So I couldn't say that there's one favorite, but I do a lot of these. A lot of these things I built into my daily routines because I know how important our mental well-being is. We're focusing on mental well-being the month of March for our annual challenge. So I like to do, this year I just started doing whatever we're focusing on in the annual challenge, we're going to focus on for the month on idioms for supersize your business. It makes things a little more consistent and flowing for me personally, and that means that I'm less stressed. If I'm less stressed, I can focus on my business. All right, so what are some of these crazy things that we can do to get us more peace of mind? These things can help us, we see our path much more clearly. It helps us to focus, and it keeps us on track with our goals, which is all important things as we're building and growing our business. So what are some ways to get peace of mind? Listen to music, deep breathing, go for a walk, enjoy nature, play with a pet, declutter. I did some of that this weekend. Acceptance, mindfulness, self-love, be true to you, be true to yourself, sense of humor, love unconditionally, go for your regular health checkup. I'm going to sneeze, excuse me. Obviously, that's one I need to pay more attention to. So regular health checkups, take stock in your life, take an inventory. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What's working in your life? What's not working in your life? I call that a SWOT analysis. Have goals. Don't take yourself too seriously. Live in the moment. Worry less. Be assertive. Speak your mind. Enjoy me time, meaning spend some time on yourself. Frolic. I really like that one. Let it go. Resist guilt. Most of us need to do a little bit more of that. Attitude of gratitude. See failure as a learning or a lesson learned as part of the learning curve. Connect with other people. Test your limits. Find positive outlets for your negative emotions. Slow down. Challenge your shoulds and wants. Boy, that was a huge one. I didn't start doing that till I was about 50. Be kind. Don't compare, especially don't compare yourself to others. Affirmations. Save a little money whenever you can. Less is more. I'd say simplify. So often we overcomplicate our lives. Perspective. I think it says move on, but I'm not sure. Stand up for what you believe in. Get enough sleep. Something about monitor your thoughts. Monitor your thoughts. And I would add, think for yourself. Do what you know is right and what you believe in. And that will always give you peace of mind. If you're behaving in alignment with who you really are and with your core values and what's really important to you, that will always reduce your stress, give you more peace of mind, and make you a more effective leader, business builder, entrepreneur, whatever you like to call yourself. All right, so share in the comments below, what is your favorite thing to do to achieve more peace of mind? I'm not sure meditation should be on there if it's not. I don't remember if I said it or not. I think that's a great way to, or just having quiet time to yourself, right? Some me time, alone time. That's it. Have an awesome day. Go have a peace of mindful day. And I will be with you tomorrow with another mental well-being related idiom for this month. Have an amazing, peaceful day.